Namaste everyone. Today we are bringing some circle type questions, logic and reasoning questions. It may helps you in different GOV exams and NTSE exams, Bank PO exams. Now, students, we are going to discuss about the questions. Now, here there are two circles. One circle is inside it and another one is outside one circle. In these two circles, the circle is divided in four sectors. You see here, this is the line, vertical line and the horizontal line. This is called a sector. This is called sector. So similarly, the circle is divided in four sectors. This is the one sector and this is the second sector, third sector and fourth sector. And the outer circle, this segment is also divided by two parts, and here also two parts, here also two parts. Everywhere it is divided in two parts. That one first we try to understood the structure of the figure. Now the question mark is here. We want to find it out. What is the missing number in this question mark? Now in this every sector there have three numbers. Yes, there are three numbers. Here also the sectors have three numbers. In this sector have also three numbers, and in the second sector there is a one unknown number. That on this missing number we have to find it out. So we understood that these three numbers, they are following some pattern, and that pattern, it is followed by all these numbers, by all these sectors of these three numbers, it means. So first we determine what are the patterns are followed by these three numbers in each sector. That one we have to try to find it out. Now if you find it out, the difference, this one is in that inside one of the sector, so inside sector that is, and this 3 and 2, it is the outside one. So we can think that one we are getting here by using these two numbers 3 and 2. Yes, definitely 3 we are getting by using the number 27 and 12, and 8 we are getting by using 24 and 16. So similarly the question mark number we will get by using the number 4 and 8. So that will be the first understanding. Now if we see the differences of these two numbers 3 and 2, the difference of these two numbers 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now are they followed by this other two numbers 24 minus 16? Yes, it is 8. It is also true. 24 minus 16 is also 8. But 27 minus 12 is not 3. So this pattern is not followed. So we cannot consider it this pattern. So we go to the another one. Now from here also we can observe that 1 is a factor of both this number. Yes, it is. Everybody we know that 1 is a common factor of all these numbers. Yes, hence we go to the next term. 3 is also a common factor of 27 and 12. When 3 is a common factor of 27 and 12, 3 is a common factor of 27 and 12. So we should understood that 3 is the HCF of 27 and 12. Yes, and 24 and 16 also divisible by 8. So 24 and 16 is divisible by 8, means 8 is a HCF of 24 and 16. Let's see, is it true? Then definitely no need to find it out. The HCF of 2 and 3 is always, it is 1. We try to find it out what is the HCF of 27 and 12. 27 we can write down it as 3 cube in exponential form, and 12 we can write down as 2 square into 3. By prime factorization method we can do, that is 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. So it is 2 square into 3. We can find it out, the factorization of 12. Now here HCF of 27 and 12, it is equal to, what is there? It will be 3. Yes, lowest power is the highest common factor. Lowest power 3 and 1, the lowest power is 1, so 3 is the HCF. Similarly in case of 24 and 16, in case of 24 we can write down 8 3 are 24. 8 we can write down as 2 cube into 3, and 16 we can write down as 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So HCF of 24 and 16 is the lowest power. The 2 is a common factor. So lowest power is 3 out of 3 and 4. So lowest power is 3. That one we will consider in case of HCF. So we can write down is as 2 cube. Yes, so we can write down it as 2 cube. 2 cube is the lowest power. 2 cube is the lowest power out of 3 and 4. So that HCF is 2 cube means it is 8. 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Yes, definitely. So it is find it out. We are getting 8 as a HCF of 24 and 16. So this missing number we are getting as the HCF of 4 and 8. What is the HCF of 4 and 8? That one we have to find it out. 4 is equal to 2 squared and 8 is equal to 2 cube. So HCF of 4 and 8 is equal to 2 square, the lowest power. Out of this square and 3, lowest power is 2. So 2 square is equal to 4. So the missing number is 4. So students, we try to understand the structure and then we try to find it on the pattern and we get the answer. So we come to the next question. In the second question, the structure is same. The structure is same. I will not explain again the structure of the questions. Structure of the figure. It is also divided in 4 sectors. Now here you see the inside number 6. 6 is a multiple of both 3 and 2. Here 60 is also multiple of both 15 and 12. 18 is a multiple of both 9 and 6. So it is we can understood that 6 is the LCM of 3 and 2. Everybody you know LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Yes, LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. LCM of 12 and 15, we see 12, factorize it, 2 square into 3 and 15 is equal 3 into 5. Yes, so when we take the LCM, definitely we take all the powers. 2 square we have to take, then we have to take 3 also, and then we have to take 5. Yes, 5 is may not be there, but we have to consider it. So it is 2 square is equal to 4, 4 is a 12 and 5 12 is 60. 60 is the LCM. So we understood that means 60 is divisible by 15, 60 is divisible by 12. Definitely it is a multiple. Yes, both number multiple, and now it is the lowest common multiple. Now 18 is also, it is the multiple of 9 and 6 and it is the lowest common multiple of 9 and 6. Definitely the missing number, this missing number, we are getting the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6. What is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6? That is 24. We know that 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24. And 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. That is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6. So that in place of missing number, we are getting that number is 24. So answer is 24. The structure may be same, but the pattern which is followed here, that one we have to find it out. Yes, students, we come to the next question, third question. Now students, in question number 3, yes, in the question number 3, the circle is divided in 8 sectors. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sectors. In 8 sectors, there is outside is a missing number. Yes. Now there is a now last time we discussed here the missing number. You have find it out the number those who are in the same sector. Yes, is not it? Now but here only one number is there, 5. So we cannot do that now. With only 5 we cannot do the calculations. Now here that is 4 is here 11, that is 1 and 10. Then now we cannot find it any relation. So we come to this, the number which is in the same alignment, that what are the numbers in the next sector. So they are in these numbers on the same line. You see these numbers are in the same lines. Here 4, 11, 3, 7, they are in the same line. You see. Now it may be related, these numbers also, it may be related. Yes. Now here 5, 9, 1, 10, these numbers are related means, and 6, 2, 6, 11, these numbers are related. So let's see what is their number. We see that number 1, 4 plus 11 plus 3 plus 7, what is there? 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 7, it is 25. Total number is 25. Here again we see here 10 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So we understood that this is the 4. Now sum of this 4 number is 25. Sum of this 4 number is 25. Now again here we come to that number 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 11. Then what we get? 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 11 equal to 25. So this unknown is we consider as a x. That means sum of this out of these 4 numbers, that one number is unknown. So we write down as x plus 5 plus 5 plus 8. So it is equal to 25. That is 5 plus 5, 10, 18. So x equal 25 minus 18 equal to 7. So that unknown number is 7. Yes, students, we are coming to the last questions. In these questions, it is a similar structure of that question number 1 and 2. It is also divided in 4 sectors. So that missing number, we can find it out, the number with the help of 24 and 26. Here already we discussed it. So, but we have to find it out the pattern which is related with these 3 numbers. Now in the last questions we have seen that 1 is a HCF of 2 and 3. Yes, but is it true for others numbers, that is 19, 23 and 64? No, definitely it is not. But we have find 64 and 27, it is look like 64 is a cubic number, 4 cube. That type of practice we should require it. 27 is also a cubic number of 3 cube. And definitely we also know that 1 is a cube of any number, cube, or nth power also is equal to 1. Yes. Now, is it the 4? How do you get it? 4, that is 4, we can find it out by difference of 23 and 19. Yes, is not it? 23 and 19 difference is 4. Again, if you do that whole cube, then we get it 64. Then inside number we are getting. Means again difference of 8 and 5. Difference of 8 and 5 is 3. 3 cube when we do that we get us at 27. And difference of 3 and 2 is 1. And then cube of 1 is 1. So this missing number we are getting by doing cube of difference of 26 and 24. Difference of 26 and 24, and then we do the whole cube. What we will get? 26 and 24, it is equal to 2. 2 cube is equal to 8. So missing number is 8. Missing number is 8. So students, you see, we find out the pattern, and then after learning the pattern we can find out the solution of the question. So please give a comment if what is the required questions, anything, and also you may subscribe these channels when you will get all this update from this channel. Thank you, students.